Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while, but that's because I went to college and I got busy. As you can see, I'm in my dorm room right now, and as you can tell since you clicked on this video, this is my dorm room tour. I tried filming one in the beginning of the semester, but it turned out terrible, so that's why you're getting one now at the end of the semester. So if you like dorm tours, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So starting at the door, this is what you see. You have my little coat rack over here, my mirror, my full-length mirror, then my bed, my calendar, my desk area, which is probably my favorite, with my little slogans up here, laptop where I do my makeup, here's where I keep my books, my chair that I made look bougie, and then back. And now I'm gonna go into depth. So over here, this closet came with the room. I have my towel, face towel, toweling robe, and some hoodies on these command hooks. Then I have my slippers over here that I just wear around the residence halls. Suitcase. I have this thing that I showed in my dorm room haul, if you watched that I used to do the dishes, which is super handy. Then in my closet, my clothes. Let me turn the brightness up. But yeah, I just have my clothes color coordinated. I have beanies, tank tops, and bras and underwears. And then over here, I keep like the current clothes I'm wearing, and over here, I keep gym clothes. In this first drawer, I keep my shoes. And the second drawer, I have a bunch of random stuff that I'm not gonna go into because it's kind of messy. And over here, I have my backpack. I think I showed this in my back to school clothing haul last year. It's just a Herschel backpack, nothing special. Then over here, let me turn the brightness down. Over here, I have my skincare. This is like the messiest part of my room. And I have my shower caddy, which I showed in my dorm hall. If you can hear people in the hallways, the walls here are really thin. You can literally hear everything that's going on. People can probably hear me, I can hear them. It's just a mess. Anyways, carry on. Shower caddies are really essential for university. And then over here I have like medicine, period stuff, Tide Pods for laundry, and yeah. Then I have this full-length mirror from IKEA. And then moving on to my bed, I basically showed all of this in my dorm hall. So first I have a bed skirt. I explained that like I just went to the fabric store and got it all cut up, custom, whatever. Then I have this backrest, which is so essential, which is from, I showed all of these in my dorm haul, but I'm just gonna say where everything is from again. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond. These are all for show, except I use this blanket to sleep sometimes. This is from HomeSense. This is from Winners, and HomeSense is like Home Goods of America. And then this long accent pillow over here is from Winners. The yellow pillow is from Winners as well. These pillows and the covers are from IKEA, and these pillows and the covers and the matching bed thing are from IKEA too. And then over here, the corkboard was just a normal corkboard, but then I took some poster paper, chart paper, and put it up so it looked nice. And I have all my due dates and stuff on there. And I have these lights, which I also showed in my haul, from Urban Planet. They don't turn on. They almost burnt my dorm room down, actually, story time. But yeah, they look cute, so that's all that matters. And I also have like another variation of bed sheets. I think I filmed it in like my first dorm tour, so I'll insert a clip right now. So yeah, that's my bed area. And under my bed, can you help for this part? Okay, my friend's gonna hold the camera so I can show you under my bed. So under my bed, I have these drawer things that came with the room. Over here, I keep like crop tops and tank tops and stuff. Then over here, I keep jeans and sweatpants. I have a lot, as you can see. And then in these drawers, over here, I keep like loungewear and gym clothes. And in this last drawer, I keep pajamas and like fancy pants. Then up here, I showed these in my dorm hall. I keep extra sweaters and hoodies over here. And then over here, I keep bed sheets and like towels and linen and stuff like that. Then in this box from Walmart, I keep extra shoes and heels and flats. And then over here, I have my laundry bag from IKEA. And lastly, over here, I have this 3-layer thing that's just from Walmart. It's like basically my kitchen. And yeah, that's all for under my bed. Moving on to my desk area, this fan is from Bed Bath & Beyond. The lamp is from IKEA. That's my phone, and I have this little charging station over here. And then I showed all of these in my haul, except for that speaker. It's just a JBL speaker from Best Buy. My Apple earphones, this little jewelry rack with all my hoops. And yeah, I showed what all these quotes mean in my haul. So if you really want to know, you can go watch the haul. And yeah, then I have this mirror that lights up from Winners. I have this convenient makeup drawer from Walmart, and then hand sanitizer, a thing for straighteners, my setting spray and perfumes, laptop, mouse, and here's where I keep all my textbooks and notebooks. And here's the chair. I put this throw on top of it it's the same as the white one over there from HomeSense, and the pillow is matching with the other one on my bed from Winners as well. It came in a set of 2, so it was worth the money. And then last over here, I have these drawers. This is like my random drawer. It's full of nonsense, don't look there. And here I have makeup, and here is my mini kitchen. Basically, it has food, plates, cups, everything. On top of the fridge, I have my Brita filter and my water bottle and my kettle, and then some tissues. And yeah, there's nothing special about that. Recycling, trash. There's the window, you can't see the view. Okay. And that's basically all for my room tour. I thought that would take longer, but it didn't. I'll give you guys an overview again, starting from here. That was all for my room tour, guys. If you like to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and if I didn't mention where anything was from, or you can't find it in my previous dorm haul, just comment down below and I'll respond as fast as I can. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what other videos you want to see, and I'll see you next time. Bye.